So today we got late. Let's try to finish our project. I will open my religion project. And let's open in the preview in the Chrome. So we built this part yesterday. We will build more things today. Let's start building the more things. So first thing we need to fix this one, this spacing. If I inspect this spacing, if I inspect it, it will. This is my space. This is my. So if I click this section, you will see the whole blue color is covered by it, and that means it does not have any margin or padding. And if I click this one, you will see it has margin of, see, yellow thing is coming here. When I mouse over in Jumbotron, that means there is some margin or padding. Let's see what exactly it is. So here you will see it's a padding of 30 pixel. Here it's showing padding of 30 pixel. So we will decrease that Jumbotron padding of how much it's saying, padding of 48. Padding is 48, margin is 30. So we need to fix the margin. Padding is okay. If it's inside it, I don't care. It should outside, it should not happen, so that below thing should go up. So let me fix the margin of the Jumbotron. So I will go to my index.php, and in the Jumbotron, I will say margin bottom of 0 pixel, and I will give the padding, a common padding to all the section. All my sections should have padding top of 30 pixel and padding bottom of also 30 pixel. So maybe I can say padding bottom of, of 30 pixel. So this is for all the sections. If I refresh now, this space is gone and we have 30 padding space, and here also we have 30 padding pixel space. So all section will have 30 pixel padding, so it looks nicer. Okay, so this one section was done. Let's go to the further section, which is the next section. Next section is this one. Take a closer look, and this one and this one. So let's make the first, we will make the HTML, and then we will give them CSS. So let's make the HTML for this one. So this is my this section. I will give the class this section, and this section is kind of secondary because it's a red color. So we will name it as a secondary. So I can say secondary, and I will also give some slogan because this is kind of slogan. This is section gray and this is section. We'll name it section dash secondary and slogan because it's kind of slogan. So what slogan we should use in our religion project? We will do it first. We will put the content. So first will be the H1 tag, and title will come here, and then there will be paragraph tag. Some text will come here, and then we will have AH reference. Here we will send the user to maybe about.php page. We'll give the class of btn, btn large, btn default, and we will some put text kind of more info, And this above button, the one which find out more, I can rename it to browse religions, and I will change this to home.php where I can show the user all the religions. And here it's about.php. Let's try to fix the CSS for this part. I will refresh it. Right now it's something like this. So let's fix the CSS for this one. So what I will say, I will create one class for section secondary. I will say dot section secondary, and here I will put something background of red color. The color we will change later on depending upon the our likeness. I am right now putting same color. We'll change the color soon when we are done. So padding, in this case, we will increase the padding to 60 pixel instead of 30 pixel. In every section, we put the padding of 30 top, 30 bottom. But here we are overwriting it with 60 pixel because this is only the one time we are increasing the space. So background is increased and the this padding is increased for this one. Let's try to make it in the center. So we have created a slogan kind of thing, but instead of slogan, we can also call as text. Enter the default CSS of the bootstrap. If I refresh, it's coming in the middle. Now let's put this title with some meaningful name. So slogan for religion. I'm just finding something on internet. Let's see what is this. Yeah, so this slogan is I'm not able to copy. Okay, this is my text kind of thing. I will put it in the database because everything is database driven. So next time when we will build the site, we don't have to build it again. We will get it from the database. We'll just change the text. The UI will be same. So all the colors and all should be handled with the database. Right now I'm not handling the color from the database, but soon I will do that also. So next week is the last week for the My Religion project, and then we will start the React project that will be the food donation. So I will say this one is okay. This one is site secondary title description. This one is description. Religion without this. We are putting the. So let's take this from the database. So I will open my site information and try to get the dynamic value. And what is the dynamic value? Site secondary title. One is this, second is description, and third is link. So link I will put it as about.php. Title will be maybe I can say slogan what we did quote. I just want to give some title, take a closer look, and then this is the let's see what people are saying. Slogan, my religion slogan. Maybe religious slogan. Okay. So I have three things already here. Now let's put these three things. First, I will take this title and I will put inside the title. Second, I will take this description and I will put it inside the description. Then I will take the link and I will put that link in the here. Let's see now in the page. Okay, religious slogan: science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. I will change this one. This is something I like today, but maybe I can change it to something whatever I want. Let's try to fix the spacing between this one and this one. Spacing is too small. Let's try to put some spacing for that. So I will say here, since I know it is a slogan, I created something with the slogan class. I can say dot slogan. First I will say h1 tag. First is the h1 tag, the top big one. I will say font size of 50 pixel. I can give any one. I'll give margin bottom to 25 pixel. So there will be some gap between the h1 tag and the p tag. And I will also say dollar slogan p tag, and inside p tag I will say font size of 20 pixel. So we have, okay, so we have little bigger kind of thing. This looks clearly little bigger and good compared to that one. I will also give some spacing here. So let's put spacing here. This is a tag inside the slogan. So I will say slogan a tag. I will say margin of 20 pixel. Okay, so spacing is also here. So we are done with this part. We're done with this. Okay, this one is giving some hard time. Let's see what is that one. Jumbotron PA tag. Where is that Jumbotron PA tag? I give some width of 45 pixel. Let's increase that pixel to right 170. Let's make 170. Let's make this 170. So browse religion comes here. When I click this, it goes to home page. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Let's move downwards. Now we have this one. Okay. So this is purely white color kind of thing. So we may not give any class kind of thing. Its default is white. So let's go to index page. We will complete the index page now in some time and then we'll finish today's one. So I will not put any class because it's a white color. It's okay. I don't want to give anything. So inside that I will say div class of container, and I'll say div class of row, and div class of whole MD 6, 6 on the left side and 6 on the right side. And first one is I want to give this title. So here I will say h2 class of page header. Page header gives the underline kind of thing. And here I want to give something, maybe I'll give some more slogans. let's say one. I will take come and pray today. So maybe I can say religion, or I will just right now put this one. We will talk that tomorrow. When many people are there, what should we put? I will just put title now. Think on this, what I should put. And after title, I will create a UL tag, and in, I will give the class of, I will make this class. I'm just giving feature list as a class, and in the UL, I will create some li tag, li. Now in the bootstrap, I can give some icon like this check mark. So that check mark can be given by the bootstrap text, and that text is called as I tag with the class of glyph icon and glyph icon OK. So when I put glyph icon OK, it will come with this check mark, this right one. So I will use this glyph icon I tag, and I will give some text one. Right now I'm saying text one. I will find out some good text. I told same thing for the life reminder, but I did not give time for that one. Here also I'm saying, but I will find time for this one because I need to make it live and I want people to come and enjoy this website. Right now I'm taking this image only. Later on we will change it to, I will find some image. Always give the class of image responsive. Let's check it on our website. So we have title, we have text. Let's give the CSS to this so that it should be little good in thing. It's not working properly. So we have the feature list. So let's give the class the feature list. We'll go here and I'll create dot feature dash list space li. I'm giving the class to the li. First thing I'll give list style of none, font size of 18 pixel, and line height. I will give line height of 2em. 2em means, if I say 1em means normal size. If I say 2em means whatever size you are seeing currently, it will be the double of that size. So right now you're not able to see these images. Now we need to see if everything is installed or not. So maybe we need to install the glyph icon here. So what I'll do, I'll try to get the bootstrap one. I'll download the bootstrap and let's download the bootstrap. Once I download, I will get the files. So I'm extracting here. So here is the font. So this is a glyph icon we need to copy and we need to put it in our folder. Project 100, my religion, in the fonts I will put it, and then I will upload it this folder, fonts folder. And let's go and refresh it. So I'm getting this check mark. This computer is at bigger at above level, and since we have so much text, so it is not matching properly. So either we can reduce this text kind of thing, Let's
Can I
see
ask you a
what we
question?
can. Yeah.
If you put a lot of text, how does the wrapping work with having a bullet? Like, does it go underneath the check mark or does it go under the T in the text?
Yeah, good question. Let's try to put it and see. You are talking about wrapping.
Yeah, like if it makes it a block or if
Yeah,
it
it
wraps.
will go down, but let's see. It will go down definitely, and it will not overlap the different one. It other one will go more down. Yeah, so it's going this one like this. Okay, got it.
Is there a way to make it a block?
Means we are saying this one same level.
Yeah. Mhm.
You can divide into two columns, create a row and create a two columns kind of thing.
Oh,
So
okay.
one will go here and one will give automatically the space.
Okay. I'm working on something where I was having issues with that. So,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, let's delete some of the li and refresh it. Okay, we can otherwise adjust the image size, but right now it's okay. So tomorrow I will come up with some text. I will go this site and we will find some good proverbs and maybe I can tell you tomorrow. So for today that's sufficient. We will talk tomorrow. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.